I love this. For the past several months, ChatGPT has been the talk of the town. And a lot of people will go out there and give you their recommendation or advice on how to use ChatGPT. And a majority of the time, it's a matter of make sure you know who you're talking about, what your voice is, all these different things, and you've actually put it all into one system and individual fields, so they don't have to copy and paste those questions and reply to those answers, with answers to each one of those. You've put everything all in the process itself, so it makes it a lot easier. Plus, you've let it create some of the answers, so you don't even have to think about it. This is great.
Yeah, so a little bit of history. When ChatGPT first became publicly available, you and I got super excited and we started learning about it, using it, figuring it out. And at about the 4-month mark, we were like, okay, I think we have a good enough grasp. Let's start sharing about it. And we were helping teach real estate agents because that's who we like to help, you guys. And at the end of these events, you're teaching, you're sharing, and these statements that you make to these AI systems, the LLMs, large language models, are called prompts. And you either at the end of these have people who are really excited to use these systems and then have no clue how to write these prompts, or they're just so overwhelmed and inundated they need you to write the prompts for them. And so I realized this pretty quickly, and I was like, well, man, I could spend the rest of my life writing these prompts for people and making prompt guidebooks, or considering myself like an AI consultant. And there's lots of people who do that, but it's back to the old adage, teaching a man to fish or buying him a power boat, right? and so I decided to invest in some horsepower. And so that's where Sam came from, and that's what you guys, if you were to pick up a free trial today, would be able to use it for, is creating those resources, putting them onto your website, driving leads to you. And then I'm going to show you how this 2.0 changes it in just a second.